In this video, we are going to see how we can create an email with the Namecheap domain. So let's say that you have already bought your Namecheap domain, and after that you want to configure some emails with it. So what you can do is follow a simple process. Just click on your username and click on the dashboard. And here on the left, we have the domain list. Now you might have a lot of emails or domains, so you can easily choose what domain you want to use to create emails for. And for example, I have upskill-videos.com. I want to use this one. This is active. So click on the manage subscription. And once you see everything here, you want to go to private email. And here with Namecheap, you get the free trial for 2 months, as you can see here. So if you want to subscribe to the email or create your private emails with Namecheap, just click on start my free trial. And here we have different packages, but to be honest, I want you to start with the starter package, which involves one mailbox included with 5 GB for emails. And you can even change the email whenever you want. So for example, if you're using it professionally or in a company, you can go up to 5 mailboxes. That's up to you, but let's click on get starter. And then you don't want to purchase a new domain. We already have a domain name on Namecheap. So click on I use a domain I own on Namecheap. Now just select the domain and it will be marked as selected. And since we have already chosen the starter package, it's already in your order reflected at the right hand corner. Just click on continue. And this is just showing a summary. If you want to increase the quantity of the number of mailboxes, you can do that as well, but it's completely free. Let's click on add to cart. And here is our 2 months free trial. We don't want to auto renew it. And click on confirm order. Click on I accept, and you need to click on pay now. Even though it's 0, but you still need to configure the payment method. And actually it has done it without the need for payment confirmation. Just click on the create mailboxes after that. So here on this page, you have all of this configuration for the mailboxes, but we haven't created any mailboxes yet. As you can see here, just click on create mailbox now. You can just name the mailbox as admin@upskill-videos.com, something like that, or you need to mention everything in lowercase. Let's set a simple mailbox password. Make sure you follow the rules. Mailbox storage is maximum up to 5 GB. So let's click on save changes. And the email subscription is successfully done. Just scroll down to the bottom and you will see your mailbox created right here with this email. Just click on done. And after that, if you click on the private email, you have this email where you can click on manage. And after you have got this email subscription, just click on the dashboard. And here in the dashboard, you will see your domain, and next to it in the products, we have this as a trial. So just click on this to manage the emails. Click on manage, or we can just log into webmail if you actually want to see what emails you have received. So let's click here, click on login to webmail. Just enter your username and the password that you have set. Hit login, close, start a tour. You can just use that however you want. This is the inbox, and let's try it. Let's just try this email. Let's say this is test email, and let's click on send. Refresh here, and there we go. We have successfully received our first email in this private mailbox of Namecheap. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.